How to move a message to spam on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can move a message to spam on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to move a message to spam on Messenger, all you have to do is simply go ahead and open up Messenger application. Now this function might not be working correctly because sometimes the message will just pop back up again. Normally what you're trying to tell over here is that if you tap the three lines icon and go to message request, you'll be able to see a list of spam messages of yours, right? And then you want just this to disappear from your chat feed so that people that you don't want to message to also can move to the message request tab and not have to deal with it ever again without unfriending or blocking that person. There is only one thing that you can do, and that is to simply archive the conversation. And to archive it, just swipe left towards that specific chat. You'll find the option called archive. This will basically hide it from here, but you can find them in the archive section by just tapping the three lines icon over here again and then just going to archive. You'll be able to see the chats that you've archived, and then you can go ahead and simply unarchive them in that way. This way you can actually move a message to spam on Messenger, but keep in mind that there are only some alternatives available. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.